Contestant number 9, Miss Tourism Tonga, ko Michelle Motuliki. Miss Tourism Tonga, Michelle Motuliki, 22 years of age, from Falaleu, Neafu Vava'u. Her hobbies are dancing, swimming, and sports, including soccer and netball. She also loves outdoor activities and enjoys being at the beach, meeting new people. Miss Michelle Motuliki, Miss Tourism Tonga. She grew up in the beautiful islands of Vava'u and completed high school education at Saineha High School. She has just returned from her mission. She spent 18 months in Georgia, USA, and at the moment she's currently waiting to start her studies next term at BYU Hawaii, where she will be studying tourism. She'd love to study tourism so that she can promote the Kingdom of Tonga. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Tourism Tonga, Michelle Motuliki, contestant number 9.
Good afternoon, Michelle. My name is Tele. I'm going to ask you your first question today, which you'll be happy to know is about tourism. The theme for tourism this year is Beautiful Tonga. Can you explain how we can get people who aren't in the tourism industry more involved in tourism in Tonga?
Sorry, can you repeat the question again?
People who don't work in the tourism industry, how can we encourage them to get more actively involved in developing and supporting tourism in the kingdom?
Thank you. As we can see now, it's the youth of today, they need a job, and especially here in Tonga, provide more time kina mawa time kina wako tataw te fitu ke ako fika ako mo culture ko ya Tongani ko ngai tuk fahalo ko kina ke puke ya kina lawa kina tuwa ke te ki tu apule anga pia kina ilo inono mau ia inono ke puke ya I tau na fofa Tonga kama tau ngai unganga ai ko fima au ko tau provide ha way ke tau tupu ke na wako fa fika aki mo way ke improve ai go ke ta ke mama ta ke Tongani.
And just the last part of the question.
Yes.
What do you think is the main differences that distinguish Tonga from other Pacific nations as a tourism destination?
Io kia te au ko sio ko hangi ko tau ngahi ulunganga tau ngahi values oku make mau pe Tonga ni me ngai fitu ko hi ko ngai me ko tau pe ko I kita to ki ai unganga lele lo to fa to ki lalo ko tau I baha ngai me ko ni wa ko bi ta to ta mi tau ki si pa ne ngai tau ma va hat me tau ngai api ta de fitu ke tau fondo ko Tonga ela bigina to tala ko Tonga mo ni kita ko I ngai me ko ni ko la pia ko kita to ki ai.
Miss Tourism Tonga, ko kringoa ko ana pa te whehu I a tau I he mala e sipoti mo ui lelei. Ko hi ko te ute wata Tonga ke whakahoko mai ki Tongani ai Pacific Games e wawhetaha hiwa. Ko whehu I uluaki, whakahingoa mai ange ha toko ua Tonga o iloa I he mala e sipoti o ke manako ai pia mo uhinga o ke sai ai he hongo ua ko eni.
Toko ua Tonga. Na usai ai he vainga I kare tahai o I kai ke loko manat ke hinga kakatoka ko Kata kui kai o ili ke hingoa kakato.
Nei te aha taha kehe? Mai ke...
Ika.
Okay. Sai pe kau hoka ki he konga whakaosi koe o whehui. Whekau ake ani mo palopalema o whehangahangai mo tongani. Whekau ake mo NCDs, ko non-communicable disease. Peka e ngahi maha ki i kai pipihi o kukawai ai tau malunga mo i suka. Ai o kukawa tongani i he awalisi ma alunga taha ke kakaitonga o ku fuusisino mo whakautua i he ngahi maha ki ko eni. Ka pau e whakakalauni koe i he pōwhalaite koe Miss Heilala, koe haha o ngahi palani ngāu e poko ngai whakotutu ke ta ofi ai palopalema ko eni.
Ia, papa whaopito. Koe, o kou sa e maupe ki he ngai whakotutu hange koe, omi koe he potu ngāu e mo ui e whakaukau koe ki he kaumaitonga ke whauka koe ngai whamalo i sino. Koe ko ngai polokalama ke ne omi a kakai ke nau whakaunga e ke nau moilelei hang koe aina toki mention ai kaumaitonga. Koe ko whangalele mo ngai sipoti ko tāpeu o mai he potunga mo ui. Hangi whakati se ma ngahi net polo mo ngahi akapolo ko tui ko mea en lava ke ne toko ni ai ki tautou ke motivate kakai ke nau whakamalo i sino.
Alo?
Alo.
Malolelei, ko whehui ki he ātakai. Tau loi whoko tau ātakai o pelepelengesi au pito. Ko haha mea e ua o mahauinga ka koe pateke ala tokoni, pateke ala whai ke tokoni ki ho tau ātakai.
Ka takte o mai whehui.
Ko haha mea e ua o mahauinga ki a koe o ke pehe teke ala tokoni ai ki ho tau ātakai.
Atakai.
I tongani.
Malo habito. Ko tui ko e kono tau e koe tau atakai ke maa. Pea kono lei taha ka mata pe mi api. Ka pate a koe te ki le ka me keisi ke ou e tene lako holo e ne veve. Ka ne awe ke whetu ko te osteu teo ke awe ke e veve. Ai ko uruaki. Ko hono ua. Ko e tau siope ke hanga e tau nofo he atakai. Ko ka e ilo he nā tōku tau ha me tua. E ngai wā o tau o atu ki teki nā tō he tau wā nofo mo e tau kaunga api. Ko e pūtari.
Mahalo.
Ko haha mea mahuinga e ua o ku makehea i a tongani me hala uhunganga whakatonga.
Ai mea e ua. Sai kou i ta unganga whakatonga ko iloi lele ko e taimi ko tau tam tau mao e loto mao lalo ai kakaitonga tau mao e taimi tau ilo ai ha taha ki si i hi whi tik tau 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 whakapa i nenga whi te o nau i ai ka unga ngai au ne o atu ko tonga mo na kita ko noa ki ai ko tau i waha lava ki nau na omi ai ha whawhotunga. Ko e tau tau ko tau pitonga ne tau taha pepa tau whamili ko toa. Ngai toko o ngai tonga ane tau tau. Tau tahu pike o tua pe ai taha.
My question is about education in Tonga, concerning the concern about, there is a concern of many young people who are not working. How can education in Tonga help this?
Sorry, can you repeat the question again?
There is a concern that there are many young people who are not engaged in meaningful employment. How can education help this problem? There
are ways where they can, the people here in Tonga have a hard time to participate in finding jobs. It's good that we all grew up in our homes. We all have our parents where we can motivate, but we always have to remember that there won't be there as always when we grew up. One day they'll be gone, and it's going to be just us. In Tonga, we just need to have the courage to take that step and make a goal that we can, try to find a way we can survive by ourselves. Thank you.
That was contestant number 9, Miss Tourism Tonga, Michelle Makuliki from Falaleu Leafu Vava'u. Malo Apito ai kau ki po kalama ko ia o Hoatani.